Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my personal journal. I just did a flip through of this journal or all of my planners for January. If you've missed that video, go find that and you'll see exactly how I write in this planner spread or this planner layout for my personal journal. But today I'm going to use some new stickers that just released in my shop on February 3rd. These are called Spring Planner. We have snow on the ground here and it is cold. Your girl's looking for some spring, so I want a little bit of spring inspo in my planners. So let's start laying down some florals because you cannot go wrong with florals. And what do we want to do? We're going to take this gorgeous corner sticker and put it right up here at the corner. It is going to cover up, actually, you know what? Let's use the small version because I don't want to cover up Monday. Do I or do I? I'm going to cover up Monday and it's going to be okay. So let's just lay it like that. So we've got some pretty pastel florals just coming down from the top of my planner. I am really loving, I'm just cutting my whole page here, y'all. I'm really loving the new kits and designs that I have, especially kit number 2. It's just a fun kit. I may continue working on new kits from time to time just to kind of add to it so that we have fun stickers that we can use in our planners. And I did cut that completely crooked, but it's okay. And then let's do something down in the bottom. I think we're going to take this, put down here at the bottom, and I'm going to kind of angle it so that I don't lose a lot of that sticker. And then we may just add to it with some more florals. Probably not these leftover pieces. We'll trash those. But let's add some more. Maybe like this. Just like that. That's cute. Okay. Love this already. So pretty. Okay, now let's lay down some boxes. Oh, I really want to use these. I keep saying how much I love these stickers. I really love these stickers. Like I would love a whole page of just this cute decorative kind of ripped paper look. We're going to put one up top here. So fun and so cute. Just look at it, y'all. All right, now. I don't know. Decisions. I think we're going to stick with the squares. I hate to not use these because I really love those stickers. But I think for this spread, we may just stick with the squares. So let's take these two and kind of stagger and layer. That's cute. And then I think we're going to take a pink one with maybe a little blue one and stagger over here. Maybe this way. Oops, I don't like that. We need to layer that a little bit differently. I just always struggle whenever I don't have something to kind of measure. I usually use lines to help me straighten up my boxes because this one, see how it's a little bit crooked? All right, that's super cute. Now we're going to do something similar over here. You know what? Let's take this off. And this pattern and this pattern are the same, so I'm wondering how this would look staggered or kind of layered. Let's layer it right here. That's cute. All right, and then let's do something similar over here, only we're going to go opposite. So we're going to go here and here with pink. So we're going to, let's do the pattern right here, and then let's go this way with the pink. Again, I have nothing to help me lay my sticker straight, so this may take a minute to get this figured out. Still crooked. That's a little better. And then we're going to take the blue and the striped pattern, and let's kind of go this way. Let's go like here and then down. Perfect. All right, loving this so far. Let's do my days of the week. Now, I can't do Monday, but we're going to do Tuesday through Sunday. And we're just going to cover up the days of the week that are already there. I just love these day of the week headers. Like I said in my last video, it just makes the spread so much more fun and interesting. Okay, that is cute. I kind of feel like I want to attempt to put a Monday header up here somewhere. Let's just kind of see if I can line it up. It needs to come down just a little bit. Okay, that's not terrible. All right, super cute. Now, let's see what we're going to do with some washi or some scallops. Oh, I want to use these two. Let's put these down in the corner. That's probably what I did for the current week, or actually last week, because I'm filming on Monday. But it'll be okay. So let's put that one there and this one here. I just love these stamps. They're just so fun. So fun. All right, let's take some pink washi, since I do have two strips of it. The scalloped washi, anyway. And let's cut it right here. And then let's put a little bit maybe here. And then we'll put some on the other side. Fun, okay. And let's do, we'll do some here. And that may be all I do on this side. We'll just kind of play it by ear and see how it looks. I may lay some here. I kind of don't want to, because I'll have that and that. Maybe we'll just put a little bit here. We'll just make it look like it's going the whole way across the spread. Okay. Yeah, this is really cute. I do want a little bit of yellow in here, so why don't we try to find a couple places to maybe just put a little bit of the yellow scallop. We can certainly kind of put some here, and then maybe, I don't know. Let's try a little bit here. And then try to find somewhere on the other side to put a little bit, just so we have kind of a little bit of pop of yellow. I'm thinking maybe just some right here underneath this little section. I think that's cute. These colors are so pretty. All right, so that is cute. Then we can also use a couple of yellow little flags. So I have 2 of these yellow flags. I can put 1 on each side of the spread. I also have the yellow bullet points that I could use. But I think we're just going to use these 2 flags. And then I think we'll just put 1 right here. We'll just put them in the same pattern boxes. All right, so let's fill in with a little bit of decor now. I think we have plenty of florals, and I'm actually going to pull, I'm going to leave this part. Oops. And I'm going to put this back on this sheet because I didn't use it, and I can certainly use it somewhere else. I can get the stickers off of my fingers. Let's get this off of here because it's not going to fit. Okay. We're just going to put that right up there so we don't waste it. Okay. Now I want my decor sheets. So let's just use the small sheet and not the large for decor. I need to put this back because I did not use it. Okay, now I'm ready to decorate. Let's see. All right, I think we're going to start with this pretty little planner. I think we're just going to kind of layer. And then why don't we take a little bit of some pencils, put up there. And we need something to go over here. Why don't we take this pretty floral arrangement and just put right there. This is so cute and so fun, y'all. All right, now I really want to use this. So let's just kind of put this right here. And what else can we use? We're going to take this cute little bag of pens and put right there. I really want to use the little phone or iPad or whatever this is. So we're going to put it there. Look how fun this is. And I definitely want to use the little paperclip butterflies because they're just adorable. So why don't we put some over here too. Oops, that is so crooked. All right, love this. Look how fun this is. And I still have so much left over. All of it. Okay, so many spreads can be decorated using these stickers. And you don't have to have like every single thing. I mean, you know, you could get by with just small sheets and the 2 kits. You don't have to have the large sheets. Of course, I have them because I make them. All right, let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I love this. It is so fun. It would be really cute with a quote. But like I said, I'm not going to do quotes this week either, just because I have them if I want to use them, but I'm not going to use them right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that this video is actually after my first Treat Yourself Tuesday, but there will be a Treat Yourself Tuesday every Tuesday in February. So the next one on my website, you'll get new releases 50% off, no code needed on the 10th. There will be one on the 17th and on the 24th. So all new releases in my shop, 50% off on Treat Yourself Tuesday. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.